At the Tin Lizzie at the Ford Model T. Nickname, Tin Lizzie. Real name, Ford Model T. Manufacturer, Ford Motor Company. Production years, 1908 to 1927. Country, United States, Detroit, Michigan. Designer, Child Harold Wills, J. A. Kubsvgelom, and Eugene Farkas. Founder of Ford, Henry Ford. The IDRS's technical specifications. Specification details. Engine 2.9 liters inline 4, 177 cubic inches, horsepower tilde 20 horsepower transmission 2-speed planetary gear, plus reverse, top speed 40 45 miles per hour, 65 72 kilometers per hour, fuel type gasoline, kerosene, or ethanol drivetrain rear-wheel drive, RWD, brakes rear-only mechanical drum brakes body types touring car, coupe, roadster, sedan, pickup. At IDRS's construction design. Simple, strong steel body, often painted black, especially after 1913. Known for durability, easy repair, and low cost. First car built using an automated moving assembly line, introduced in 1913. Production time dropped from 12 hours to about 1.5 hours per car. Known as a people's car, it was affordable and reliable. At Sedilla pricing. When introduced in 1908, $estate $25, equivalent to $25,000 today. By 1925, dropped to $260, equivalent to $4,000 today. Made car ownership available to the middle class. The historical significance. Revolutionized the automotive industry. Over 15 million units sold, making it one of the best-selling vehicles of its time. Made the United States a car culture nation. Enabled rural farmers, city workers, and small businesses to own personal transportation. At section fun facts. Nicknamed Tin Lizzie due to its lightweight metal body and affordability. Owners often perform their own maintenance. Repair manuals were included. The Model T could be started with a hand crank. It had no fuel gauge. Drivers used the stick to check fuel level in the tank. Some owners even converted it into tractors using aftermarket kits. At cultural impact. Inspired future automotive development around the world. Symbol of the American dream and early 20th century innovation. Still preserved by collectors, museums, and in parades. The term Tin Lizzie became a cultural icon, used in books, films, and songs.